Welcome everyone. In order to screen record on the iPhone 14, the first step is we're going to open up the settings app. From here, we're going to scroll all the way down until you see Control Center. Now for me, I have enabled the screen recording toggle, but for you, you're going to scroll all the way down. You're going to see screen recording, tap on the plus, and now we can screen record in our iPhone 14. So in order to use the screen recorder, the first step is we're going to slide down from the top right hand side of our device. You're then going to see the screen recording icon. If you long press on this icon, we have the screen recording view. From here, you can start the recording and change the microphone settings. So by default, microphone is off. What that means is as long as there is sound on your device and the silent mode is off, all of these system sounds will be recorded in the screen recording. This includes your keyboard typing sounds, any videos you play, any games you play. If you turn on the microphone, those system sounds will still be captured, but when you speak, your speaking will also be captured by the screen recording as well. So if you wanted to do a screen recording with a commentary, you'd want to turn on the microphone. Once you have your option selected, just tap on start recording and we now have a countdown. Once the countdown ends, you can see the recording has started. So now all of the actions you take on your iPhone 14 will be recorded, such as opening apps, closing out of apps. What will not be recorded is if you click the lock button, that will stop the recording and the lock screen won't be recorded. If you do want to go to the lock screen, just slide down, just don't click the power button, okay? So once you're happy with your recording, you either tap on the red icon here to stop, or you can slide down from the top right hand side, you'll see the red icon here, you can tap on this one as well. Now you can see screen recording video saved to photos. This message may take up to a minute to show up. It may not show up if you have do not disturb on or focus mode that blocks notifications. So now let's go into the Photos app and you should see the recording right here. If you don't see the recording, tap on the Albums button until you're brought to the My Albums area. Tap on Recents. Now you can see the recent screen recording right here. So now you can see all of the actions I took on my device were captured. So moving around, opening up apps, all of that good stuff. With that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.